Welcome back to Cosname Technologies. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your app on Play Store after you have uploaded the previous versions. So, as you can see here, I have updated my Gradle to 7.1.7, and as you can see here on Play Store console, it is version 6 on 1.06. So because my application in cross testing, click managed and click new release, but because I have unlisted here release, so I'm going to upload it to the app bundle like that. After you have updated your version here, click build. There is two builds. As you can see, there is build here, but in Play Store you have to create a signed bundle. So click on Android app bundle, set your key store here, add your password and key password and click next. Click on release like that and wait for Android Studio to click your release like that. The process is very simple. It will generate this bundle here. Just click on locate it and it will take you direct to the bundle. Minimize it and let us just drag our bundle here on Play console like that. It will start uploading immediately, as you can see here. Just wait for a few seconds here like that. As it is processing the bundle to look for viruses and so on, I'm going to copy the previous notes or releases here just like that, and you can see here it have copied from the other versions that it is the description of the app, as you can see here. Since I'm using cross testing, so I'm going to keep it that way. As you can see here, our bundles have been uploaded, have been scanned, and has no viruses on it. So I will just, as you can see here, it have updated the version. Since it was 6, our version now is 7, as you can see. I'm going to click on next. As you can see here, it is saying since we are displaying ads, so it says that we have not added it on manifest, but because I know I have added it, I just click on continue and just wait for it to be processed by humans. Go to overview, like clicking on there, and it will again scan your app here, and you can see that our changes is full rollout. I'll just send all the changes to the view, and it will be processed like that, and it will appear on your notifications like that when the changes have been updated on Play Store. So just wait for it to finish, and you can give it a few hours and come back later or check on their app if the changes have been updated. So that is it. Remember to like, share, and to comment any question if you have it on the comment section. Till next time, bye.